থ্যাংক ইউ বংশী রায়কিয়া। সুপ্রিয় উপস্থিতি, শুভ দুপুর। আমি আনিসুর রহমান শিমন। কালীগঞ্জ করিমউদ্দিন পাবলিক পাইলট উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের ব্যানারে বিভিন্ন ধরনের প্রোগ্রাম হয়ে থাকে। আপনারা প্রতি বছর অত্র বিদ্যালয়ের শিক্ষার্থীদের বিভিন্ন ধরনের প্রোগ্রাম দেখে থাকেন। তার এই ধারাবাহিকতায় আজ একটি প্রোগ্রাম চলছে বছরের শেষ দিনে, অর্থাৎ 31/12/2020। এই শেষ দিন আমাদের প্রধান শিক্ষক, সম্মানিত প্রধান শিক্ষকের নেতৃত্বে বদলুল আলম স্যারের ধারাবাহিকতায় আমাদের আজকের এই প্রোগ্রামটি পিবিএল অর্থাৎ প্রজেক্ট বেসড লার্নিং কম্পিটিশনের আমরা 3য় নম্বর দল। আমরা আমাদের আজকে এই দলের দায়িত্ব ভার পড়েছে অস্ট্রেলিয়া দেশ সম্পর্কে জানার। স্যারের হয়তোবা আমরা এই শিক্ষার্থীদেরকে নিয়ে যেতে পারিনি এখনো পর্যন্ত অস্ট্রেলিয়ায়, হয়তোবা সুদূর ভবিষ্যতে হয়তোবা যেতে পারবো ইনশাল্লাহ। আমরা বিভিন্ন শিক্ষার্থী কাজ করেছি অস্ট্রেলিয়ার সংস্কৃতি, লোকজন কীভাবে বসবাস করে, খেলাধুলা, অস্ট্রেলিয়ার অর্থনীতি, অস্ট্রেলিয়ার রাজনীতি, বর্তমান প্যান্ডামিক যে সিচুয়েশন, সেই প্যান্ডামিক সিচুয়েশন কোভিড-19 তুলে ধরার চেষ্টা করেছি বিভিন্ন ধরনের শিক্ষার্থীদের মাধ্যমে। আপনারা উপভোগ করবেন, ভালো লাগবে। ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to go a short discussion about Australia. Australia, officially known as Commonwealth of Australia, it is a developed country. It is a country of Oceania continent and world's sixth largest country by the total area. Its total land area is 76,92,024 square km. Scott Morrison is the Prime Minister of Australia. Australia's major religion is Christian, and they are living also other religion people. Thank you so much.
Hello audience, it's me Jain Tabassum Mekha, student of Kaligons Korimuddin Public Pilot High School. Today, I would like to inform you about Australia's economy. The Australian economy experienced 26 years of uninterrupted economic growth. It was the only country of the OECD that did not enter into recession during the financial crisis, holding one of the highest growth rates of the developed world, and being the world's 13th largest economy. In 2019, Australia's GDP growth amounted to 1.8%, almost decreased 1% when compared to the previous year. The economy continues to be driven by business, government spending, while households and consumer sector struggle amid low wages growth. The country also benefits from large-scale exports of agricultural products and a vigorous financial sector. According to the updated IMF forecasts from October 2020, due to the outbreak of the COVID-19, GDP growth is expected to fall to 4.2% in 2020 and pick up 3% in 2021, subject to the post-pandemic global economic recovery. Overall, I want to say that Australian economy is ideal to be followed for any country. That's why I love Australia. Thank you all.
The politics of Australia take place within the framework of a federal parliamentary constitutional monarchy. Hello guys, it's me Ahnaf Mashfiq, students of Kaligons Korimuddin Public Parlour High School. Now I am sharing with you about the politics of Australia. The politics of Australia take place within the framework of a federal parliamentary constitution monarchy. Australia has maintained a stable liberal democratic political system. A democratic political system under its constitution, one of the world's oldest since federation in 1901. Australia is also a world's sixth oldest continuous democracy and largely operates as a two-party system. Which in voting is compulsory. The Economist and the Intelligence Unit rated of Australia a full democracy in 2019. Australia is also a federation where the voting is divided between the federal government and the states and the also territories. The system of governments combines elements derived from the political system of the United Kingdom, fused executive constitution monarchy, and also the United States. Also the United States federalism retains constitution and strong bicameralism with along these distinctive indigenous features, and has therefore been characterized as a Westminster mutation. Hello viewers, I think the politics of Australia is so exceptional in other country. So I love Australia. Thank you.
Hello audience, you know the pandemic global situation. Now I will discuss you about COVID-19 situation and awareness. Presently, Australia's COVID-19 total cases 28,337, active cases 188, death is 909, recovered is 25,427. Total number of COVID-19 cases, active cases and deaths recorded in Australia since the first case was reported. Life sometimes become very challenging due to environmental disorder, natural calamities or offense of human activities. COVID-19 is a disease that enforced by those causes. It has hampered our general livelihood. Not only we, but also our global health is affected by this dangerous and pandemic disease. We're managing the COVID-19 outbreak in Australia as a health emergency. Those who are attacked by this rapid spreading virus shouldn't move everywhere. They should stay at home, maintain physical distance from unaffected people. Common people should keep neat and clean and maintain physical safety. We shouldn't be hopeless. Behind the cloud, there is a sun. Happiness comes after sorrows. But the good news is that the coronavirus vaccine has arrived. Man is for the sake of man. Life is for the help of life. I'm alone. But unitedly, we're not alone. Nearly, we will enter in a normal life. We like to have dream again. Want to rise up with fresh morning. We do believe that we shall overcome. We should bear it in our mind. No pleasure is permanent in our life. At the same time, no pain is prolonged effective through the human society. Everybody please comes forward. We have to think faithfully, talk carefully, work positively. Thank you so much for staying with me.
The fruit of silence is prayer. The fruit of prayer is faith. The fruit of faith is love. The fruit of love is service. The fruit of service is peace. Prayer, faith, love and service can ensure the all peace. Hello everyone, it's me Korimal Shafin, student of Kaligons Korimuddin Public Pilot High School, Kaligons Lalmonihat. Now I am talk about Australian peace. Australia leads a peaceful country. Their crime rate is very low, economies remain strong and roads are safer. They have many beautiful places and gorgeous restaurants. So Australia is most peaceful countries in the world. But the golden deer does not domestication easily. It depends on some special criteria. Peace comes true by the name of sacrifice, surrender, and selflessness. Peace moves by love, lives on service, and stay with friendship. So when the people will follow this type of human qualities in every movement in their life, the deer of peace domestic actually. The world will be free from cupidity, free from corruption, free from egoistic mentality, and will have heavenly a peaceful world. Peace means not to humiliate someone's positive opinion. Peace means respect everyone's sovereignty. It means keeping satisfaction with a little interest. Then the rationality will meet with a lofty lot. Please rise up with morality. Now I am talk about Australian sports. At first I talk Australian cricket. Test cricket. Australian national team has played 833 test match. They won 394 match. They lost 224 match and they draw 211 match. As of May 2020, Australia ranked on in ICC Test Championship. ODI cricket. Australian national team has played 933 test match. ODI match. They won 533 match and they lost 333 match. Australia national team has also played World Cup football. They achieved World Rugby Championship many times. From my childhood, I like to watch all cricket match of Australia. That's why we love Australia.
Earth comes to an end. Save it, my friends. Pollution is going on in every city, village, and town.
It's me, Ahnaf Mashfiq. Now I am presenting a PowerPoint of my country. Today's season, our team names the Dreamer. Our project named Why We Love Australia. My second slides. At first, our unit leader Anisur Rahman and the participants name Banusri Roy Kia, team leaders Jarin Tabassum Megha, Korimal Shafin, Barnop Roy, Sadia Akhtar Shammi, Lamia Akhtar, and also me of the members in this team. Australia, officially the Commonwealth of Australia, is a sovereign country comprising the mainland of the Australian continent, the island of Tasmania and numerous smaller islands. It is the largest country in Oceania and the world's sixth largest country by total area. The population of 26 million is highly urban and heavily concentrated on the eastern seaboard. Australia's capital is Canberra and its largest city is Sydney. The country's other major metropolitan areas are Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth and Adelaide. Indigenous Australians inhabited the continent for about 65,000 years prior to the first arrival of Dutch explorers. 17th century, who named it New Holland. In 1770, Australia's eastern half was claimed by Great Britain and initially settled through penal transportation to the colony of New South Wales from 26 January 1788. Hello audience, now we see this kangaroo. Kangaroo is the national animals of Australia. This Kakuda National Park. It's a national park of Australia. Kakuda National Park is also a protected area in the Northern Territory of Australia, 171 kilometers southeast of Darwin. It's a World Heritage Site. Also, the Munga 3D National Park. Munga 3D National Park, formerly known as the Simpson Desert National Park, is the largest national park in Queensland, Australia, 1495 km west of Brisbane. The park covers an area of 10,120 square kilometers. My next slides, the sports of Australia men. Here we see that the Australian cricket team, then basket team, hockey team, football team, and also volleyball team. And the upper hand, the sports of Australia women. Here also the cricket team, a football team, a basketball team, and also a volleyball team. Thanks a lot.
Well, thanks, dear guys. Dear audience, you listening some different aspects of Australia from my group member. The presentation of Megha to learn how to develop our economy and the pandemic situation of Australia. And from Mashfiq to learn how reach our politics and why we love Australia and the PowerPoint presentation. And the presentation of Shafi to learn how peace-loving Australia and our sport team, mainly football, cricket, and rugby. And you enjoy traditional dance and a poem. So dear guys, now it's to say that Australia is one of the most extraordinary nations in this world. In this nation, there is no among caste, creed, and color. Australian people, all the citizens of Australia, they enjoy equal human rights. I love Australia because Australia is rich of natural beauty, and their people are very friendly and hardworking. In this very short time, I think everything cannot be described about Australia. So in these few words, I would like to conclude my speech. And finally, I would say a word in this pandemic situation. Please neat and clean, stay at home, avoid gathering, stay at home, be safe. And thank you again on behalf of my team, on behalf of Australia. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much. Best of luck.